everyone, I am back from home and these are the few gifts that I've received from my nieces. So I have 4 nieces and then this one pretty cute bracelet is gifted to me by my bhabhi's niece Riddhi. Thank you Riddhi for this bracelet. And my nieces were so cute, Ananya, Millie, Adya, Anvi, that they wanted me to open these handmade cards when I get to Mumbai. So now I'm doing it for my little chipmunks. And since Anvi was not home, she was at her Nana's. Nana Rani's home. So she gave me this cute little dragon. This is so pretty. Thank you, Anvi. So now let's start opening with Ananya's gift. This says open it and it has little hearts on it. So let's get started. Should I cut it open? Oh, I should. I'm excited about what Anni has given me. Oh, this is a hand painted. So Ananya loves, she has huge interest into painting. Drawing, painting, just sketching, Madhubani art and things like that. Although she is so small, she is my little angel. This is so pretty. How pretty this is. So this is a cooler. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you, Ananya. Love you. And it has a clutcher in it. So cute. Oh, there are a lot of things inside. Wait. Oh, there are some. Oh, this is a donut. Very pretty. Look. When I say she's good with drawing, I'm not kidding. Just look at this. This is so cute. She's such a good art and craft person. This is a little cupcake muffin. Thank you, Ananya. Oh, I'm scared if it flies off. Okay, wait. Oh, it's flying. It's flying. Everything is flying. Oh no, wait a second. I have to turn off the this is ice cream. Turn off the fan. She has written me this hand note, which is, you are my favorite bua, meri best bua ho. I love you from Ananya, Anni. Love you too. Thank you so much. Let's move on to what Millie has given me. So she has given me this bracelet. It says Soni Bua. So my home nickname is Soni. It is not Anu or Anuradha. So she has given me this bracelet that says Soni Bua. Thank you, beta. So much. Isn't it pretty? Okay, now she has given me a rainbow. She has made me a rainbow, a cupcake, a girly girl. Cutest. I think, oh, there is a sketch pen also. I'm not sure if it has came in by mistake or she has gifted it to me. Okay, let's move on to what Millu has given me. So this is from Millie. It's at the back, it says from Millie. At the front it is open this gift, and there are little colorful hearts which I love. This is from Millie. So this is stapled, so I'm gonna just open it like this. I'm gonna open all these staplers, all these staplings. Oh, should I rip it open? Ouch, I'm not sure. Let's try to open like this. Will it? Oh no, it's ripping off. Okay, it's coming. Oh, okay, so there is this card, very beautifully painted and written and sketched. And again, I love you, Soni Bua. I've got another bracelet that's from Millu now. This one's from Ananya, this one's from Millie. And I also named Millie when she was born, and I met her in hospital and I took her in my lap and I was like, she's Millie. I love her. This says open it. It's a really cute heart. Thank you, Millu. Oh, cute. And when she was giving it to me, she was so scared. She was saying that outside I have made it so beautiful and inside it's a mess. but no, it's pretty beautiful. I love it, and it says, "You shine like star." Thank you. My biggest cheerleaders are my chipmunks. Like, I need no one. I think my love for them is like an investment that I would get that love back if I keep loving them now. I'm a little selfish, but I love them so much. I love all of them. Like, I have 9 now, and I love them all dearly. I love them now, and I have 2 at my in-laws side, and I love them so much, and they love me so much and respect me so much. So I'm really lucky that I have all the kids that I have, and they love me. Thank you, guys. Okay, so let's read what's in it. So it says, "You shine like star, Soni Bua. You are the best Bua in the whole wide world." Thank you, Minu. Thank you 1,000 times. And you are the best niece in the whole wide world. Like, all of you. I love you on the same scale. Okay, so now that Millie is done, now let's move on to Adya. So she's very little right now, and she took help of Millie to kind of design this whole thing, but the whole idea was hers. She just took a help for designing and coloring stuff. This is from my Adu Padu. Adya is my sister's kiddo. Oh. And weirdly, she wishes that if or when I'm going to have a child, I should only have a boy. I must not get a girl, because she is the only maternal girl that we have in our family. All others are boys. So on the front of this card, Adya says, "You are the best Mercy in the world," and there are little hearts. Thank you, Adu, and you are the best niece that anyone could get. But what is in it? I don't know. Let me see. Oh. I am scared to my life that I would rip this off. Okay, so here are small cards, and these are made by Adya. Only the front was designed by Millie, and these little cards are illustrated by. So first one is this, that cute Mossy, this card is for you. Thank you, Adu. And then there is, "Sona Mossy, you are very beautiful." Thank you. You are beautiful, Adu. That's why you find me beautiful. Okay, so this card says, "Thank you, Mossy, for telling me what manner is." I always keep scolding them. What are you doing? This is how you should say it, or not say it, or say it, or whatever, like little things. "Mossy, you are my best Mossy. Compared to all the Mossy, I love you." I know all other Mossies are fighting in background, which is gonna be Guria Didi and Moni, my younger one. And this is ice cream, scoops of ice cream. Thank you, Adu. This tells me that you love ice cream. And this is the sun making faces. I don't know what this is supposed to mean, but Adu, I love it. Now this is a sun kiss. Ice cream again. Thank you. And this is chips ka packet that she has given me. So I think these are all the things that you want to eat. So next time when I come, I'll get all these things for you. So this is all that I have received, and I think when they get older, and I just want to feel the same love. I want to receive such same gifts that are handwritten, and I'm gonna keep them forever with me, because this is such a sweet thing. And right now they are in their very innocent phase of life, where they are writing all this stuff, making all this stuff all from their heart, and this is such a good thing. And I will always want to remember this day when they grow older, and I would like to make them come to my home, have dinner with me, and show them what they had created for me when they were really younger. And I'm gonna post this video on YouTube so that it stays there for life, and when I grow old and they grow up, I just want to tell you guys that I love you so much. So now this bracelet also I'm wearing, that is from Riddhi. That is my Bhabhi's niece, and this is gifted to me by my younger one, by my youngest girl niece, Anvi. Thank you, beta. And this is not all. There are two other things. So one is this painting that is illustrated by Ananya, of course. I'm gonna get it framed and keep it with me forever. And then I'm gonna frame this second thing, which is a sort of a letter that Millie had gone to every member of my family who were present there, and she had asked them to say nice things about me, and they all have said it. And this is the first time my papa and my mama have officially said something about me. That is so nice. And the best one of them all is Millie's, because Millie has written it at the end, and she's funniest, and she's the funniest one. And she has written, जो सब इसमें लिखा है वो सब आपके लिए. Means whatever everyone has said is everything she needs to say to me, she is saying to me, and everything that is there is what I am. So now she does not have to pick and choose one thing out of me, but she feels what everyone feels for me all together. So that is so pretty and cute, and I'm gonna frame this as well and keep it with me forever for my life, because these are the things that I live for. I'm gonna get emotional, but I love you guys, and I'm forever here for you. Really, forever. Mossy and my chipmunks for life.